Hey guys, I was getting ready the other day and I thought, you know what, we'll see if I'm going to put this on YouTube. And yeah, here we are. So I have to do this pretty fast. So I've applied Nars creamy concealer on my eyes, and then I went in with Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Mocha. I love using this shade on my eyelids because it gives a bit of warmth to the eye without really using more shadows. So then I went in with a serial liner from Nabla Cosmetics. This is my favorite liner in the world. It's beautiful, and since I have hooded eyes, I have to do kind of like a graphic liner. I do have a full tutorial up on how to wear eyeliner, like a wing liner if you have hooded eyes. So make sure to check that out as well. Then I went in with this dark brown color from the Secret palette from Nabla. This palette is amazing, by the way. Shadows are like butter, they're smooth, they're super pigmented. And I tried to do like a smoky winged liner look. So I went in with this really small brush. I think it's from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collection. I went back and forth with the shadows and I tried to blend it until I find it smoky enough. And then I went in with this lighter brown color in the palette and I applied that on my crease, bringing it all the way towards my tear duct. And I really like it, especially if you have hooded eyes or you don't have like a very visible crease. This is going to look amazing because you're just kind of going to define the crease, which you don't really have, if you know what I mean. After that, I went in with this lighter color from the Secret palette. This color, it has a shimmer, really nice subtle shimmer to it, and it almost looks wet. That's pretty much it for the shadow. Super simple. I cleaned it up with a cotton pad and micellar water, and yeah, I really liked how cat eye-ish it looked. I went in with my Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. I love this tinted moisturizer so much. It's super natural, it's radiant, it's glowy, it's moisturizing, it's everything. After that, I went in with YSL All Hours Foundation. The reason why I've used the Laura Mercier one is because, first of all, it's super natural. And with the YSL one, I just wanted to have a little bit more coverage towards the center of my face. Plus, the YSL foundation has a neutral undertone, and it's a bit too neutral actually for me. So that's why I went in with a warmer tinted moisturizer to kind of like balance it out. For concealer, I went in with Nars Creamy Concealer. This is in the shade Honey. I've applied it obviously on my dark circles, on my chin, and a little bit between my brows. Moving on to my favorite part, which is contouring. I've used Too Faced Concealer in the shade Mocha. This is a pretty warm shade, but I really love to contour with this because like a beautiful little J-Lo golden goddess look, if you know what I mean. For liquid highlighter, I went in with Ilia Serum Highlighter. This is such a beautiful product. I do have to say you have to be pretty quick. I applied a little bit too much. Shiny mustache. Yeah, you have to be pretty quick when you apply this because it can dry out and you know that doesn't look so flattering. For blush, I've used one of my favorite shades at the moment. This is the iconic blush slash highlighter. This shade is like the perfect pink Barbie shade. I will link everything in the description box below. Back to the eyes, I went in with this beautiful shimmer brown color and I applied it on my lower lash line. This powder is actually new. This is from Summer Kusami. I got it the same day I filmed this video, I believe. So I've used the lightest shade on my under eye area. And as you can see, it didn't make the concealer any darker, which I really love because I think it's super annoying when you go in with a powder and everything looks very dull suddenly. Like, hello, where is my contour and contrast and highlight and stuff like that. I also powdered the rest of my face with a slightly darker color, same powder but darker color. I went in with this color pencil from Morphe. This is in the shade Vibes. This is like the perfect fall shade. It's a perfect dark brown shade, and I actually use it with nude lipsticks as well. So this is the lipstick I was talking about. This is Cool Brown from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which I really love. The perfect fall slash winter shade. Then I curled my lashes with my favorite curler ever from Tweezerman. I applied some falsies, and the falsies I've applied are from Sweet Lashes with a D slash Nikki makeup collab. I hope you guys like this 5-minute makeup tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.